Bautista. May San Juan. May San Juan. Mahangin ba sa labas? Mahangin ba sa labas?
Now we continue walking 10 minutes. Okay, let's go.
Oh, yang kuan gagmay nga grupo bi. Not bad naman po.
Nag-book pala kami guys na kasi for a small group. Siguro mga 10 po. 10 person yata yung small group. Tapos ngayon naglakad kami. Parating namin sa may entrance ng Maisan Sanctuary. Maglalakad pa daw na around 10 minutes.
Coconut cafe.
Katuyok ta babe. Sa hulak din ang space.
Mega lakad. So yung meaning pala ng Maisan guys is yung Mai is beautiful. Yung San is mountain. So it's beautiful mountain.
Kabalon lang ko kung pa dahil ay di ba. Mukhang medyo po ni man.
It's live, you know? Picture that. Okay guys, so this is this Maisan Sanctuary, the temple guys. Kala mo bullet diri.
right here already. So that's the reason why we lack a document to restore the temple. So we make efforts to restore only one temple over here. 1, 2, 3. You see? Okay, right now you see very complicated, right? Okay, I will explain to you. So when a king goes to the throne, he will build one temple for himself. Okay, so he not only build one temple, he build a combo. A combo will including meditation house, gate, and temple. Temple is the most important part. Okay, I will explain to you. The first one, this area just for private, no for public. Okay, you know pagoda is big because everybody can join. Everybody can go to pagoda. Okay, no, but this place just for the king and the master monk. King and master monk allowed to go here. Okay, so the king have to get the meditation, wait until the spirit call down, and when he feel he ready, he will cross the gate. The gate like a border that celebrate between human life and God life. Okay, when the king cross the gate, he go to the God life, and he go inside the temple, start to worship. When the king worship, for example, when the country have an important battle with another country, okay, he come here and pray for the wind, okay, or pray for the rainy and good crop, or some important event like birthday of Shiva. The king will come here and pray. Okay, so now we will copy a king. We go to the meditation house first. Okay, let's go. Lotus flower. The flower was destroyed. The flower was destroyed, but this is a lotus flower. That's symbol for original life. Original life. Okay. This one is a chain. That's symbol for power of enlightenment. You know enlightenment. Yeah, it's a position when you get the meditation. You see, this is elephant. That's a very special elephant. The head is elephant, but body is a lion. Simhapura capital means lion capital. Most of the sanctuary with no head. Most sanctuary
So this is the gate. After the gate, you have to pass through the gate and you go to the temple. So this is the temple, guys.
Okay, so the first feeling when you come inside here is cool. Cool, right? Cool. You see that's over there in restoration with the modern roof. But hot. But this place is different. Cool and fresh. Okay. So here, as I introduced, just stand for private. So that's the reason why this temple is very small. Okay. So here, this is the center of the temple. The center of temple. This one we call it Linga and Yoni. Linga and Yoni. But this one is not perfect 100%. Not perfect. Because we lost Yoni. Oh sorry, we lost Linga. Linga. Just only Yoni here. Okay? But don't worry, the next by the temple here, I will show you 100% perfect Linga and Yoni.
Flag manibig para sa tourist. Kasi pag kini ang kabit-bit siya ganun mo, ito parang naka-record 12 na sunod-sunod. So,